I had a chance to play the game that's about to come up as an alpha test, and I really like the game as a gamer myself. My name is Chang Won, and I work as a DevOps engineer for Devsisters, a mobile gaming company. So our team is basically a central DevOps team within our company. And we don't develop the games ourselves, but we oversee, DevOps, SRE culture practices. We also do infrastructure provisioning and a little bit of platform engineering. Mobile game development is challenging because it's a very fast-paced industry, and we have to deliver new features from a monthly basis or so. So some of the requirements for database in game development are that the database has to horizontally scale out, because there are, from time to time, a surge in user requests that need to be handled. Also, these days, mobile games are very complex, and that they require multiple features involving other users, like raid cooperation or guild features that interact with each other. So all that requires transactional support. Also, it has to be we have to consider consistency over availability, because everything that the user makes progress in the game has to be made intact within the database. We started trying out using CockroachDB in 2019, and we actually launched the first game using CockroachDB in 2021. So the first one we launched in CockroachDB is called Cookie Run Kingdom, and then we launched another game called the Cookie Run Witch's Castle. We're about to launch another game. It's called Cookie Run Towers of Adventure, and we're also migrating at the same time an old game that's based on Couchbase to CockroachDB. So the workload for a database differs from game to game. For Cookie Run Kingdom, it's designed in CQRS pattern, so you store the changes of states, not the final state itself, to the database. So it has a big snapshot and then small journals to keep track of these changes. So there's other use cases where we're trying to just store the final state of the users. Our team has to work with many other teams as well, the game studios and publishing companies. So we have to make things simple in a way that we don't have to explain further about the techniques that we're using. So we're kind of sticking to the basic building blocks of cloud-native infrastructure, like the Kubernetes, Helm charts, Argo City, those kind of common technologies. CockroachDB has an official Helm chart that is also cloud-native, that kind of fits naturally in our deployment setup that we built based on things like Terraform and Helm charts.